What if I told you that rolling a simple ball under your feet for just 2 minutes a day could reduce your knee pain, calm your anxious mind, lower your blood pressure, and help you sleep better at night? You'd probably think I'm exaggerating, right? But please, stay with me for the next few minutes, because what I'm about to share with you might just change your life. Here's the truth that nobody talks about. Millions of people are suffering right now. They wake up every morning with stabbing pain in their heels. They struggle to walk to the kitchen without their knees aching. They can't stand for long because their lower back starts hurting. They take pills for blood pressure, pills for anxiety, pills for pain. And their feet? Their poor feet are crying for help, but nobody's listening. You see, we spend thousands of rupees on medicines, on doctor visits, on fancy treatments, but we ignore the very foundation of our body, our feet. We forget that every step we take, every move we make, starts right there at our feet. But today, I'm going to show you something different, something so simple that you might not believe it works. It's called foot rolling, and you can do it right now, sitting in your chair with just a tennis ball or even a water bottle. No expensive equipment, no doctor appointments, no complicated exercises. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this exercise, step by step. It's so simple that even if you've never exercised before, you can do it. I'll explain why this works when so many other things haven't. And I'll share with you all the amazing benefits, not just for your feet, but for your knees, your back, your digestion, your blood pressure, your stress levels, and even your brain. By the end of this video, you'll have a powerful tool that costs nothing, takes just 2 minutes a day, and could change how you feel every single day for the rest of your life. So please, stay with me. Get comfortable, maybe with a cup of tea, and let me show you how something so small can make such a big difference.
Now let's start with the basics. Foot rolling is a gentle exercise where you roll a ball under your foot. That's it. Simple, right? But here's what makes it special. You see, our feet are not just feet. Think of them like the foundation of a house. If the foundation is weak, the whole house has problems. The same way, if our feet are weak or painful, our whole body suffers. This exercise does something amazing. It doesn't just help your feet feel better. It actually works like a messenger, sending signals throughout your entire body. It talks to your nerves, it helps your brain, it improves your balance, and it makes your whole body work better together. Imagine your feet are like the roots of a tree. Strong roots mean a strong, healthy tree. Strong feet mean a strong, healthy body. And that's exactly what foot rolling helps you achieve. Strong, healthy feet that support your entire body. Now let me tell you who should be doing this exercise. And honestly, the answer is almost everyone. But especially this exercise is wonderful if you have pain in your feet, especially something called plantar fasciitis. That's the pain you feel in the bottom of your foot, particularly in the heel or arch. Many people wake up with this pain in the morning. It also helps with knee pain. Yes, you heard that right. Even though we're working on the feet, it helps the knees. It's wonderful for hip pain or stiffness, again, because everything is connected. It helps with lower back pain because your feet affect your back more than you might think. It even helps with neck pain or stiffness. The whole body is one chain, connected from bottom to top. This exercise is also very helpful if you have flat feet. It helps build up the arch of your foot. And if you have swelling in your legs and feet, this rolling motion helps push the fluid back up. Even if you don't have any pain right now, this exercise is wonderful for prevention. It keeps you strong and healthy. Now, let me explain exactly how to do this exercise. Don't worry, I'll go slowly, step by step, and make it very easy to understand. First, find a comfortable chair. Make sure it's stable and won't move. Sit down comfortably with both feet flat on the floor. Next, take your ball. You can use a tennis ball, a golf ball if you want more pressure, or a special massage ball. If you don't have a ball, you can even use a rolling pin or a water bottle. Whatever you have at home is fine.
Now, place the ball under one foot. Let's start with your right foot. Put the ball right in the middle part of your foot, not near your toes, not at your heel, but in the middle arch area. Then, gently lean forward just a little bit. Not too much, you're not trying to stand up. Just shift some of your body weight onto that foot so you can feel the ball pressing into your foot. It should feel like a firm pressure, not painful, but you should definitely feel it. Now comes the rolling part. Start rolling. Slowly move your foot forward and backward over the ball. Think of it like you're rolling dough for chapati. Slow, gentle, steady movements. Forward, backward, forward, backward. Take your time. There's no hurry. As you roll, pay attention. Notice how different parts of your foot feel. Some areas might feel good. Some might feel a bit tender or sensitive. That's completely normal. Your body is talking to you, telling you where it needs attention. Here's something very important. When you find a tender spot, a place that feels a bit painful or uncomfortable, stop there. This is important. Keep the ball right on that spot and apply gentle pressure for about 15 seconds. Count slowly. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 15. Breathe normally. Don't hold your breath. This tender point needs extra attention. It's like a knot in a rope and needs to be gently loosened. After those 15 seconds, continue rolling all over your foot. Roll forward and backward. You can also roll in circles, clockwise, then counterclockwise. Cover your entire foot, but avoid rolling directly on the bones. Stay on the soft, fleshy parts. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes on each foot. That's all. Simple, isn't it? Just 1 to 2 minutes on each foot, and you're giving your body such a wonderful gift. Now, after you've been doing the sitting version for about 2 to 3 weeks, you can try a more advanced version, the standing position. For this, stand next to a wall or hold on to a chair for support. Safety first, always. Place the ball under your foot just like before. But now, because you're standing, you can put more of your body weight onto the ball. Start gently. Don't put all your weight at once. Gradually increase the pressure as it feels comfortable. Roll the ball the same way, forward, backward, in circles. The movements are the same, but the pressure is stronger. But please only do the standing version when you feel confident and balanced. If you have any balance issues, stick with the sitting version. There's no shame in that. The sitting version works beautifully too. Remember, this is not a competition. This is about taking care of yourself at your pace, in your own way. Now, let me explain why this simple exercise is so powerful. And trust me, the benefits go far beyond just your feet. This is where it gets really interesting. First, obviously, it makes your feet stronger and more flexible. It stretches the tissues, relieves pain, and improves the arch of your foot. Strong feet mean better support for your knees, hips, and back. When you walk with strong, pain-free feet, your whole posture improves. You stand straighter, you walk better, and this takes pressure off all your other joints. It's like fixing the foundation of a house. Once the foundation is strong, everything above it becomes more stable. But here's where it gets even more amazing. Your feet have thousands of nerve endings, tiny sensors that send messages to your brain. When you roll the ball, you wake up these nerve endings. It's like turning on lights in a dark room. This improves something called the parasympathetic nervous system. Think of this as your body's relaxation and healing system. It's the opposite of the stress response. When this system is activated, your whole body shifts into healing mode. And yes, you heard that right. When you activate that parasympathetic system, your digestion improves. Your stomach works better. Your intestines work better. Everything flows more smoothly. Many people don't realize that stress and tension in the body affect digestion. When you relax your nervous system through foot rolling, your digestive system relaxes too. This gentle stimulation also helps balance your blood pressure and your pulse rate. It's like a natural medicine, but with no side effects. Your heart doesn't have to work as hard, your blood vessels relax, everything comes into better balance. And there's more. This exercise helps reduce cortisol, that's the stress hormone in your body. Lower stress hormones mean you feel calmer, more peaceful, less anxious. In our busy, worrying world, who doesn't need that? The nerve signals from your feet travel all the way up to your brain. This stimulation helps your brain work better. You might notice you think more clearly, remember things better, and feel more mentally sharp. It's like giving your brain a gentle wake-up call. And if your legs or feet swell, this rolling motion helps pump the fluid back up towards your heart. It's like giving yourself a gentle massage, helping your body's natural circulation system work better. All of this from just rolling a ball under your feet. Amazing, isn't it? One simple exercise, 2 minutes a day, and your whole body benefits. Your feet get stronger, your joints feel better, your digestion improves, your blood pressure balances, your stress reduces, and your brain works better. It's like a chain reaction of good health, all starting from your feet. So, my dear friends, here's what I want you to remember. Start slowly. Do this exercise sitting down for 1 to 2 minutes on each foot. Do it every day if you can, or at least 3 to 4 times a week. Make it part of your routine, like brushing your teeth through having your morning tea. After 2 to 3 weeks, if you feel comfortable, you can try the standing version. But there's no rush. Go at your own pace. Be patient with yourself. Like anything good in life, the benefits come with regular practice. You didn't develop your current problems overnight, and they won't disappear overnight either. But they will improve, gradually, surely, if you stick with it. Don't give up if you don't feel changes immediately. Give it at least 2 to 3 weeks. Your body needs time to respond, time to heal, time to get stronger. And most importantly, make this a lifelong habit. This is not just a temporary fix. This is a tool for staying healthy and strong for years to come. Think of it as a daily investment in your health. Just 2 minutes a day, but the returns are enormous. Your feet carry you through life. They've carried you for decades, through good times and hard times, through all your daily tasks and journeys. They deserve this care and attention, and in return, they'll support you better than ever before. I truly hope this video helps you. This exercise has helped countless people feel better, and it can help you too. It's helped people reduce their pain, improve their balance, feel more energetic, sleep better, and just feel better overall. And now, you have this knowledge too. So please, give it a try. Start today. Not tomorrow, not next week, but today. Find a ball or a water bottle, sit down, and try it right now. Your feet, your joints, your whole body will thank you. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep smiling. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Sometimes the simplest things are the most powerful. And this simple act of rolling a ball under your feet might just be the change you've been looking for. God bless you all, and take care of yourselves. You deserve to feel good, to move freely, to live without pain. And now, you have one more tool to help you do exactly that.